In this video, I'm going to show you how to do from a drawing, or like if you're using Figma, put that into the AI and generate code. So for this, it's a To-Do app. We put here like laundry, add button, and anytime we add it, goes in here. And here is the app itself. So we can add things, we can take out things. Let's add it, new task, and it strikes through. So let's start this video. Alright, we're gonna do some vibe coding. Alright, first, this is my picture. Like, I want to just do a To-Do app, and this is like our heading. So this is fixed. So we do the plus. It's gonna add like items here. So let's open up ChatGPT. Hey. Hey, ChatGPT, I want to make an Android app. So it needs to know that you're making an Android app, of course. It could give you anything like React Native, maybe Android, or anyways. So here I'm making an Android app in Kotlin. I am going to give you a mock-up of the app. It is a To-Do app. Here is the picture. And just attach, like, you can use Figma if you wanted to. There's a lot of like reverse engineering if you want to get like screenshots or use Figma to get like apps that like Uber or Instagram. It'll make like an exact copy. So let's add our, I guess I can do another video where we do like reverse, actually use like popular code, but oh well. Here's our mockup, and let's see how it does. Yes, it's dark theme. Header, yes. Okay, task items, yes. There you go. That's one of the compose version. Would you like to build Jetpack compose? Yes, I do. Data class, okay. Okay, composable task row. Task list screen, okay. How do I let's build in Jetpack compose. I want Jetpack compose would be better. Yes, I want a full working example. Yes, make laundry text editable. Let's not do room dev or local memory. No, that's not. Okay. So I think it's gonna break once we do like, yeah, okay, it's good. Okay, so you saw the video I uploaded, the long one. It's basically this. So you see lazy column. Let's go over this code. So this is the main activity. It's calling task list screen. Task list screen here. It's making a mutable state. Remember, provides the title. So anytime it changes, it's gonna trigger a recomposition. And this is our like a list. It's a list. View task ID. I think that's the ID. State of 4. Okay. Not sure what this is, but we'll come back. So row. I made a row. I made the outline here, where you put in the text, and then it put in the text style modifier, a space, the button, where you add it. It's right here. And a spacer. I'm probably gonna tell it to comment stuff in, so it's better to follow. So let's, hey, can I get some comments so it is easier to follow for a beginner? See if it added comments. It did not. See? Okay, no. Let's just copy and paste it. See what happens. Okay? Copy. I think. Let's see. Programming. We have understood here. It's our new project. Empty activity, yeah, we'll compose vibe to do app vibing. Okay, let's see your code, not this one. Let's see your code. Put the microphone in front of me. Okay. Let's see. It doesn't have the package, so I think I can just copy and paste everything to our main folder here. From here down. Paste. Okay. Alt enter. Alt enter. Okay. It doesn't like that. I'm just gonna comment it out for now. Okay, let's see if it works. Nope. Here. I think there's something wrong with the thing. Just gonna delete that. Comment it out. And read it. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. And here we go. Let's make it bigger. And here I think I can add this. Let's take a trash to add. There we go. And so the app is working in the sense that it's compiling and there's something showing up, but let's add laundry. You'll see that it's taking like a long time. I need to double click, that's weird. And this text is not showing here. Okay? So, and the second bug is that this should be cleared out when I hit the plus button. So let's tell the AI to work on that, okay? So I'm gonna alternate, copy everything to ChatGPT. Honestly, I'm just gonna open a new chat. Have this code in Kotlin and Android Studio. There are two issues that I see. First issue, I think it likes bullet points better. So if you give it like bullet points, it would understand better. But I'm not gonna do that. First is that it needs to write the text that is on the top. So if I type laundry and add, it should show up laundry and not. What was it saying? It was saying new task. and not new task, putting quotation marks. Secondly, I want the text to clear once I hit the add button. Okay. I didn't put it. So yeah, I didn't put the text. So it's giving me all this nonsense about XML, which I'm not using. So we actually need to be like prompt engineers at this point. So this paste, and if I keep continuing, it's not gonna be right. It's gonna use XML. So let's use that. Just copy and paste our code just here, and I'm gonna give it all in one. Okay, here is the code I have. Okay. Let's see. So adding the actual text itself. New task, false. And this line, okay. This might be better, okay. Try the title, reset title, okay, so it's resetting. Okay. Okay. Can I get the code complete whole? Please. Can I get the code whole? So hopefully here is supposed to be the whole code. Let's see. So let's do version control, and I think I did update it. So let's come in and push before we do anything. Enable version control integration. Okay. GitHub, share project GitHub. Todo App vibing, yes. Add. So version control is our friend. If anything breaks, we can still go back. So this is working. I'm gonna copy and paste this. Copy. Select all. Paste. Let's see if this works. Let's see. Okay. Where's our app? Here's our app. So put in laundry, it should show up. There we go. And erase it, so that's awesome. There's something weird happening here though with the time, but whatever. I think this could go lower too. So I'm gonna tell it, let's commit though, like this. Let's version control, git commit push. Push, git commit. This is working so far. We fixed bugs when it came to showing the text and also showing the clearing the text. Okay, and push. Commit push. Now we need to. I want the space to go down, right? So let's tell it that this is a little bit high. We want more space to drop everything down. So let's tell it that. Okay, here we go. The code worked. I just want some space in the top there. It's getting in the way. It's getting in the way of the camera on the top. So it should add like a spacer. Padding window, whatever. To do this one version. So this to this, final version. So I'm just gonna copy this, call himself. Where's a column? On the column itself, I think it's gonna go, no, on the column here. I think this is our only column. It should be here. Let's see. So it said something about system bars, jetpack, and value. So that's probably the best way to do it. Let's see. There we go. So that dropped. Cool. Alright. So it's still working. Still working. Good, good, good. I'm gonna do another version control. Commit push. Commit. Now there is padding, so it is not obstructed by the camera. Commit push. Whew, okay. So for some rules to use ChatGPT or the AI to code is one, make sure your prompts are on point. Like you saw me one time like goof off, I didn't give the code itself, so I started like making code from like before Jetpack. So, and if I continue using that notebook with that memory that ChatGPT had, and I continue to try to fix it, it would just been an uphill battle. So your prompts are very important, and for you to be modular, so tell it to do small things and check. And for our next video, we need to add persistence, and that's gonna be a little bit harder because I don't think it doesn't even know how to do the dependencies. I do think it's capable of doing the code, and you'll be able to see that next week, hopefully. Alright, stay tuned.